grassy green, meadows and orchards and woods. I want to begin a discord about love, for which I go wandering. For a lady used to love me, but her heart has changed. Therefore I make discordant the words and the tunes and the languages. I am one who has no good, nor ever will have it, neither in April nor in May, unless my lady gives it to me, truly in her language. I cannot tell her great beauty. She's fresher than gladiolus flower, therefore I will not leave her.
I will not leave her. I will not leave her.
Beautiful, sweet, dear lady, I give and grant myself to you. I will never have complete joy if I do not have you and you have me. You are a very evil warrior if I die for good faith, but never in any manner will I part from your love. Lady, I surrender to you, for you are the best and the most beautiful that ever was, and gay and worthy. If only you were not so harsh to me. You have a very beautiful face, and fresh and dark color. I am yours, and if I were yours, you would not have distressed me yesterday. But I so fear your anger.
I am entirely frightened by it.
For you I have pain and torment,
And my body lacerated.
at night when I lie in my bed,
I wake up many times,
and because
it never profits me.
I failed in my care. Wretched, what will I do?
If she whom I hold most dear
Kills me, I know not why.
My lady, what shall I do for you?
Nor by Saint Quiteria.
My heart you have taken from me.